Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a Bluetooth remove failed error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error would occur when something is preventing your Bluetooth device from successfully disconnecting from your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services and services local, so ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Bluetooth services. Okay? So makikita nyo dito na mayroon tayong tatlong Bluetooth services. So ang gagawin natin ay kailangan lang natin i-modify. So i-select mo lang dito yung Bluetooth services. So click mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general and dito sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then kapag nakita mo dito yung kanyang service status ay start, so click mo lang tong start, and then next ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So ang next, so dito ulit sa kanyang Bluetooth support service, so select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So same procedure dito sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then next ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And yung last one sa Bluetooth user service, so select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up ulit itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa startup type, so select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then next click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, so close lang natin and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa start menu, so kailangan mo lang mag right click, and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung Bluetooth. Ito siya. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then ang next natin gagawin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung kanyang Bluetooth device. Alright, so ito, so kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver, and then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then itap lang natin tong search automatically, and then wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so after dito sa device manager, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung airplane mode. So type mo lang siya, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa kanyang airplane mode settings, so kailangan mo lang itong i-turn on mga kaibigan. Okay, so i-turn on and off mo siya. So ito siya yung button niya, i-click mo lang ganyan, and then i-turn off mo siya. Alright, so after dito, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Bluetooth remove failed error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.